Another Sinton corner. Emlyn goes up for this. Sedgley! Steve Sedgley, they can't stop him scoring. And Wolves take the lead on 20 minutes. Sedgley crept up on the edge of the 6-yard box and volleyed home beautifully. A lovely corner yet again from Sinton against his old club. Sedgley did the rest. It's Muscat's ball. Branch. What an intelligent finish. He's done brilliantly. It was a great ball through from Muscat. Little touch from Branch and finished the job with the head. 2 in 2 minutes for Wolves. Really good to see the others going, and that's Brazley. Looking by. Oh, what a goal! What a goal by the Nigerian! What a volley! Well, it was Brazley's pass, but look at this for a finish. And it's 3 in 7 minutes. And Peacock's got one back. 10 minutes left. Oakes, no chance there, but a little bit of shut-eye in the Wolves' defence. Lovely finish. Wolves can't afford to throw it away. Langley, Slade, and QPR have got a second. In the final minute, it was a good block from Oakes from Langley, but Slade kept his head.